Good evening, friends. You can see this Darji Kundu's memorial here. Darji Kundu was one of the very popular chief minister of Arunachal Pradesh. He had done a lot of good jobs in terms of road constructions, school colleges, upliftment of tourism sectors, and many other social engagement. Because of him, he is considered as the father of Arunachal Pradesh. I am very glad that I have come here to this place to share his memorial with all of you. I mean, you can see this beautiful building. This is a museum where a lot of great works that he has done was been kept over there. You can go and read. I have gone through some of this engagement. Essentially, he was a intelligence service personnel. In 1971, he worked as a very uh, intelligently and diligently during this 1971 war, and he received the gold medal. After this war, he joined. He quit his job and then he joined in public systems where he worked as a Congress party workers, and he became MLA, and then subsequently he became also a cabinet minister. Finally he became the chief minister, and he continued as a chief minister for 2 terms. So some of the few achievements that I can highlight here is the hydropower projects. Because of his leadership vision, he made the hydropower project into next level. And today India understands this potential, and in fact the total hydro energy capacity that Arunachal developed is the 50% of what total India can develop. Similarly, he spent considerable funds in corpus funds for his school, for medicals, for tourism, for other educational sector, so that the Ramakrishna missions and other hospitals, the BK schools were flourished today, and Ramakrishna mission is serving lot of citizens across the Arunachal Pradesh because of his foundation that he had done during his tenure. So this is the memorial that you can see. Memorial is always gives us the inspiration and knowledge that Mr. Khandu has done for us, and we should continue to take the inspiration and knowledge of such a great personalities, and make our life is also something towards aligning to those great personalities and make a positive changes in the society. So keep watching this kind of great personality and make our society a self-reliant. Bye bye. See you in the next video.